The coding I'm going to show you now is the beep. Very simple code. I'm not going to go into too much technicalities here. Okay, I'm going to add a button, and when I click on this button, I'm going to let Windows beep for me. Okay, so the code is beep. Plain and simple beep. Okay, so you can also use that in your program somewhere. You can put it in a repeat statement or while statement as well if you want to make it repeat the beep sound. Otherwise you can just add it to somewhere, maybe if something pops up and you want to draw attention to a specific thing that happened.